One of the most common questions we are frequently asked is what should be checked or prepared before starting an internal wall insulation install. Before starting an IWI install using the SWIP system, it's important to make sure the space is properly prepared. A few key checks and actions can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth installation and long-term performance. First, we have to look at the walls themselves. Each wall should be assessed for type and condition. If surfaces are uneven or have lots of gaps, they may need to be treated. Parch coating is commonly used to create a stable base and a smooth base for the insulation. Next, it's crucial to identify any obstacles on the wall. Fixtures such as wardrobe, shelves, and radiators should be removed wherever possible. If something can't be removed, like a gas meter or a boiler, they should be boxed in and the insulation should be applied around it to maintain a thermal continuity of the system.